Regenerist is Olay's advanced anti-aging skincare collection. Micro-Sculpting Face Moisturizer Formula is designed with advanced anti-aging ingredients for visible wrinkle results starting day 1. Infused with hyaluronic acid, amino-peptides, and niacinamide, vitamin B3, this moisture-binding formula instantly plumps and lifts surface cells. The luxurious-feeling moisturizer immediately leaves skin hydrated, softens the look of fine lines and wrinkles and firms the look of skin with plumping hydration. Formulated with collagen peptides to deliver visible wrinkle results starting day 1. Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Face Moisturizer has a moisture-binding formula which instantly plumps and lifts surface cells. Anti-aging moisturizer formula penetrates deep into skin's surface, improving texture and elasticity. Formula with Amino-Peptide Complex 2 regenerates skin surface, correcting the look of deep wrinkles. Luxurious feeling face cream is infused with hyaluronic acid, Amino-Peptide Complex 2 and niacinamide, vitamin B3, for dry, oily, normal, or combination skin. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.